Bitcoin is skyrocketing as we speak, so this might be the perfect moment for you to get involved in the process without spending a single dollar. Hello, go Untitled, and today we are going to over a brand new way you can earn free Bitcoin without any investment. As a complete beginner, I will be covering both an active and a passive way of generating cryptocurrency, and you don't need me to remind you that what is happening to Bitcoin right now is absolutely crazy, so this might be the perfect moment for you to start generating some free cryptocurrency. I believe that Bitcoin has got a huge potential to go even higher and skyrocket in the long run, so you might be able to make some long-term profits as well. And all I'm asking you for is a little bit of patience and strong determination to make money online. So if you've got those two elements, we can jump right into it, but not before you drop us a like and hit the subscribe button. Moving on to the first method in our list, I want you guys to connect to Brave.com, and this is a piece of software that is going to prove tremendously important for our initiative to start making free cryptocurrency as complete beginners without investing a single dollar. Now, this is a browser that will allow you to browse the internet 3 times faster than Google Chrome, but we are not interested in that, and instead we are going to take advantage of a particular feature of this browser that most people don't know about. And before we can move on to that, it is very important to fully understand the main purpose of Brave.com. Now, I'm quite sure that most of you know how frustrating it is to search for something on the web and get absolutely spammed with all those ads. And when you connect to most websites, they are going to ask you to accept their privacy policy, and that will allow them to sell part of your data to advertisers. Now, they say they are doing that in order to improve your user experience and all that stuff, but we know that they are profiting a lot off of that. And the worst part about all of that is the fact that you are not getting a single penny out of all the money that is invested in advertising. But Brave.com has absolutely changed the game, and I'm going to illustrate that in just a bit. Now, these guys go over the main features of their browser, but we are not really interested in that. And as I said, we are just going to focus on the things that will be highly profitable for us. Now, you have to keep in mind that they will block data grabbing ads and trackers, and that is going to prove essential as we are moving forward. But now, just by using this browser every single day as your default browser, you are going to earn rewards, and they are actually going to provide you with Flyer-like tokens just for browsing. So you are going about your day. Normally, you're just searching the web and doing regular stuff, and they are actually going to provide you with rewards. But that is just a bonus, and the main stream of income is going to come from the ads, because Brave blocks invasive ads by default. But if you turn them on, if you choose to do so, you are going to get rewarded. Unlike other browsers, they will spam you with all of those ads and will not give you a single cent. Brave is actually going to pay you for viewing ads, and they are not going to give you 5% or anything of that kind. They are going to give you 70% of what the advertiser paid, guaranteed. So that is a major advantage over any other browser that I have ever used, and I believe that this is quite something. There are a lot of money invested in these advertising campaigns, and if you get 70% of that, that can be quite profitable. And additionally, Brave ads look like system notifications, so they don't look anything like the ads that you are used to seeing. Basically, they are not mixed in with the pages you read online, and you have full control over how many ads will be displayed to you, because you can get to pick how many and how often you see them. And if you do choose to see those ads and take part in the process, you will be rewarded in these credits that are called BAT. So BAT, and later on you will be able to convert them into cryptocurrency, and I'm going to illustrate how you can do that, because most people who are using Brave.com don't even take advantage of that. Now, BAT stands for Basic Attention Token, and it is a separate cryptocurrency that you can actually check out on many websites. It is currently rated at 0.3, but if you take a look at the chart and all of the statistics here, you can see that just in the last days, so in the last week, it has grown 22%, and that is quite something. If you were to have $100 last week in this cryptocurrency, by this time, you would already have $20 additional passively without doing anything out of the ordinary. So that means that this cryptocurrency has got a huge potential, but if you're not a huge fan of this one, you can actually convert it into Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever you're passionate about. Now, one way that you could convert that is by going over to a website such as Uphold.com or any other one that is similar to this one. and it is going to allow you to convert cryptocurrencies, turn them into Bitcoin, US dollars, whatever you're passionate about. Now, personally, I believe that if you do involve yourself in this process and you start earning those credits, it might be a wiser decision to keep your earnings in BAT. So keep that cryptocurrency in your wallet and wait for it to grow, because as you could see, 22% in just 1 week in profit, and it can skyrocket from here. And for those of you who are still skeptical, Brave is 100% free, and you can download it on your device by just clicking clicking on this button that is entitled Download, and you can get it on Windows, on iOS, and Linux. So most operating systems will actually run it, and you can take advantage of it right now. As you all know, we like to be 100% transparent on this channel, so I have actually went ahead and searched for whether or not Brave is legit in order to see some other reviews from unbiased sources. And at a first glance, the reviews are excellent. As you can see, most of these reviews actually focus on the other features of the browser, so the security, the privacy, and so on. But you can do your own research on the web. I'm not going to waste your time with that because I know how valuable that is. But mostly the ratings are around 4.5, 4.6 stars out of 5, even one here that is 4.7. So you can actually take your time and read them, but I suggest that you simply take advantage, take action, and start implementing the method right after watching this video. Now, as you can see, the first method on our list was a passive way that we can earn cryptocurrency, but the second one will be an active stream of income that you can set up, and we are now moving on to the second method on the list, and I want you guys to connect to FBA.com. Now, unlike the other one, this is actually a mobile app that you can grab on your Android and iOS device, so it doesn't matter which operating system you are using, you can actually get it and run it in order to earn free rewards. And I'm going to show you exactly what that means, and what these guys will do is basically give you up to 20% of your money back whenever you purchase an item online, and they will give you your rewards in Bitcoin. So that means they will send you this amount of money straight into your Bitcoin wallet. And they have got instant payouts, so you don't have to wait for weeks, you don't have to wait until the end of the month in order to take advantage of your earnings, and instead you can withdraw your profits instantly. Now they have been featured in places like Forbes and Bitcoin magazine, and they also have some reviews on their website. But you don't necessarily have to trust this. We are actually going to read some unbiased reviews and see for ourselves whether or not this is profitable. And they have got some really popular partners such as Amazon, Domino's, Hotels, Sephora, Starbucks, Uber, and so on. So basically that will allow you to purchase items at any of these places, and it will give you a percentage of your money back in Bitcoin. And guys, the price of Bitcoin has skyrocketed, and if it goes even higher, that means that you will get much more than 20%. And when it comes to withdrawing your profits, you will have quite a few different options. You will be able to withdraw your money in Amazon gift cards, so you can redeem those. You can also get Starbucks gift cards, or you can simply send the rewards straight into your Bitcoin wallet. That is completely up to you. You can choose whichever method works best for you, but the little downside here is the fact that you will need to get a physical card in order to take advantage of this. They will actually send you this Visa card, and by using that you will get all of those cashbacks. Now if you'd like to, you can also watch this video. It is basically a tutorial, and that will explain everything that you need to know about getting this card. And if you go over to Apple Store, you can actually see that this one has got a 4.3 star rating. And that is quite something for an app that basically pays you for purchasing items online. It's also got some friendly reviews on Google Play, and you can actually check them out and see for yourself whether or not it is worth your time. But if you choose to involve yourself in this process, please make sure to come back to this video and leave your thoughts down there in the comment section. Tell me how much money you were able to generate in the first few weeks. I'm always interested to know your opinion and feedback, because that helps us improve our content consistently. And last but definitely not least, in order to take advantage of both methods that we have covered, what you can do additionally is also set up a wallet, a Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase.com, and that will actually allow you to store all of that cryptocurrency that you will be earning while doing so. You can also get a bonus now that is $40. It used to be a little bit more than that, but they are always refreshing their website. They are always adding new opportunities, and basically all you need to do in order to earn those $40 is learn about these new cryptocurrency that have just been launched on the market. Now, in order to maximize your profits and not leave any money on the table, I suggest that you use both of these methods in order to make some extra cash. Because as you could see, by setting Brave browser as your default browser, you can actually make some extra cash passively without your active involvement, without having to complete any surveys or watch any videos. They will just display those ads. They're not too intrusive, and that will get you paid. And for using the Fold app, all you need to do is go about your day. Normally, if you regularly do shopping, why not give this one a shot and get some extra cash on the side while doing so? That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.